Good afternoon. Lord and Angel. Once Angel asked the Lord, "You made woman so soft compared to man. Why?" And the Lord replied and smiled, "Yes, I have made her soft as well as strong. You can't imagine what she can endure and overcome. She is water, she is fire, she is everything, whatever, she is one of a kind." Wishing you all International Women's Day. Everything in this universe, everything has its own journey, and every journey has its own destiny. So, here is a small video of our lady staff member of Vimal B. Deshpande School of Excellence.
शांति रूपेण संस्थिता या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धा रूपेण संस्थिता या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृ रूपेण संस्थिता। नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते। A beautiful woman draws strength from troubles, smiles during distress, and grows stronger with prayers and hope. You are one of them. Little girls with dreams become women with vision. So let me call upon Anand sir to welcome you all by giving you roses and photo frames and smileys, with beautiful smileys, to the auspicious celebration of International Women's Day.
ಖಡಕ್ ಟೀ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿಟ್ಟು ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಾಯಂತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇಬಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಅವರಿಂದನೇ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are celebrating the International Women's Day. This International Women's Day, first of all, I would like to express my gratitude to the school people and organizers here. International Women's Day is celebrated every year globally on 8th of March to honor the achievement of women in various fields. Therefore, this international celebration gives recognition to those women personality who have experiment of women society.
ಗೌರವಿಸಲು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 8 ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಆಚರಣೆಯು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಮಾನ್ಯತೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ. ವಾಸ್ತವವಾಗಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಸಮಾಜದ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ತರುವಾಯ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಧತಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೌರವ, ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಳಜಿಯ ಆಚರಣೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಮೇಲಬಹುದು ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಿಗೂ ಪ್ರವೇಶಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ಹೋದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ತಂಡವು 2020ರ T20 ವಿಶ್ವಕಪ್ ಟೂರ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಲ್ಗೆ ಏರುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಾಧನೆಗೈದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೇ ಬರುವ ಭಾನುವಾರ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆದಂದು ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ ತಂಡದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಫೈನಲ್ಗೆ ಆಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆಯೂ ಅವಲಂಬಿತವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಳು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲೂ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ
ಜಸ್ಟ್ 2 ದಿನ ಇದೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಆಯ್ತು. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಏನೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಇದಂತ ನೋಡಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನೋ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀನು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನೇ ತೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ ಗೆಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಟೀ ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಇಬ್ರು ಅದೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಥಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಗೆಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮೀರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮೀರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೊಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಗೆಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೆಲಸ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ 101% ರೈಟ್ ಗೆಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಗೆಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಾಗ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೂ ಯಾರು ಬಹಳ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಕೆ. ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಮುಗಿಯಿತು, ಇನ್ನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇದಾವೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಬಂದು ಕಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಬೇಕಂತ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಲಿ
Our beloved principal, Dr. C.V. Patil's to share.
Anybody can speak.
I wish all the lady staff a happy Women's Day. For lady staff, I wish to thank the principal and all the gen staff for organizing such a wonderful day and such a wonderful program. Really hats off to them because they have been struggling every minute. If we ask very strictly, sir, in the sense, really with the help of one another, this day is really made a memorable one. And we as women really have a marvelous role to play in our day-to-day life. As women, let us cultivate the value of patience and helpfulness. Let us have lots of patience, though we have joys and sorrows in our life. Sometimes when we face sorrows, we really become impatient. So when such situations do come in our lives, let us try to handle the situations with lots of patience and understanding and try to solve the problems that we endure in our lives because every problem has a solution. But if you settle with the same problem, will not find any solutions. So cultivate the value of patience and also helpfulness. We very often see around us different kinds of people, some living a happy life, some will have some problems in their life. Let us help those who are really in trouble, and if they are unable to solve their own problems, we can give solutions to the problem by through small ways, some ways which will really help others to improve their life situation. That's all. Have a great day.
Members have organized a small event so that to connect your services to the society, preferably to the organization. And then we come across since morning to late evening. You all, along with your family responsibilities, do spend your huge time, a quantity of nearly 7.5 hours in this campus itself, to cultivate the goodness among the young minds. Keeping all these things in mind, so we felt somewhere last year also it was organized, earlier also it was organized, but when Sridhar had approached me, so he could not be approaching what to be done. Because all the Gen staff members have gathered and they themselves have discussed, because I did not give time to them to meet me. It was their own planning, but of course it was brought to my notice that this is what we have planned, and we requested even Mr. Niranjan also had come with a video clip, and I just asked him to change certain areas of it. That's what was my correction in this program. So when we speak about International Women's Day celebration or Happy Women's Day celebration, all are happy. So that's what we expect from you all, that every day when you enter into the campus, those who come early, the first lady one who enters into the campus, either Nirmalamma or else B. That is what since almost 1.5 years I have observed it, and the last lady preferably is Meenakshi. Because as you all are busy with your own family matters, everything, as most of the working staff members in this campus are mothers who leave the campus, of course by the end of the day I feel somewhere some staff members have got tired. During the second semester, what I have observed that Geeta Malik madam do not have lunch on time. Whenever I was on ground, it was noticed. Of course, she may later on join with other staff members, those who are non-class teachers this academic year, to have lunch along with them. But somewhere I felt that having food on time to you all is beneficial. Have it on time, because responsibilities are different. Along with the responsibilities, we need to take care of the health also. Whenever we are into a profession, so two major things we need to be concerned about. One is the profession responsibilities, and second thing is the personal health. So if these two are parallelly maintained, so you can serve as long you wish to serve. So usually after crossing 40 or else 50, somewhere we come across many such illnesses that we may suffer from spondylitis, we may suffer from arthritis, because it is a common suffering of a teacher, because a teacher has to stand for a longer duration. A teacher has to keep on speaking to the children all the time whenever the teacher is in the campus, and even out of the campus. Be that a huge number of ladies working in the campus, and as we all consider you all are sisters, mothers, whatsoever you think or we think it as. But somewhere we feel, personally I feel that gender is different when it is considered to a lady's life, to a woman's life. So thank you very much for being with us. Since there are senior teachers, those who are with the campus since the inception of the campus itself, and we expect your services in the coming years as well without any disturbance to the campus. And similarly, those who have joined us recently, we expect your tenure for longer duration in this campus, so that there has to be a coordination among all the staff members, ladies and gents. We go back to the mythology, so almost these major wars, major battlefields were the witnesses of the quarrels between two ladies. Ramayana is all about because of Shurpanakha. Mahabharata is all because of Draupadi. या दिवस बद्दल सगळ्यांना हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. या ठिकाणी आम्ही जे आता जमलेलं आहे तर या ठिकाणी आम्ही सेलिब्रेशन साजरं करत आहे. बघूया पुढच्या जे येणारे दिवस आहे, येणारे दिन आहे, त्याच्यात काय सुधारणा होणार, काय काय आम्ही पुढे सुधारणा करणार शाळेत, ते सगळं आम्ही बघून प्लॅनिंग करून आम्ही काय म्हणतो ऍक्ट करू शकेल. एवढं मराठी सोपं नाही, मराठी बोलायचं एवढं सोपं नाही. इट रिक्वायर्स लॉट ऑफ प्रॅक्टिस. सारखं सारखं तुम्ही मराठीमध्ये बोलले तर तुम्ही मराठी चांगलं बोलू शकता. नाहीतर इट्स लिटरली डिफिकल्ट टू स्पीक इन मराठी, बट मराठी इज द मोस्ट ब्युटिफुल लँग्वेज विच आय हॅव कम अक्रॉस आफ्टर कन्नड. Thank you very much. We just have to reach the place and there is to return to language. And later on in 2 years indicates that you are invited to so and so place. Please do come down. Of course, it was not in the same station, it's in the same country. It was in the other country. So as he was around some 80 years old, so to help her to reach airport and from airport to the decided destination, the personalities were appointed over there. So she was not having an idea who had invited her and what her invitation was. So when she has reached the airport and she has travelled to the destination where she was supposed to travel, and from there she was picked up by another gentleman and she was taken to a particular place where when she entered into the hall, it was a celebration hall. When she entered into the hall, she was invited by a young man, and she just bowed down to her and took her to a place which was reserved to her and asked her to sit over there and witness the ceremony. And it was, of course, the marriage ceremony of the young man who had bowed to her. And later on, she was still in a confusion that who is this young man who had invited me and bear all the expenses of to and fro and taking care of me in an unknown place as of his own mother. It was his own, the person who had invited her was her own student. Once long back she had talked to him when he was in lower classes. So it's a real fact actually. It has happened in Tamil Nadu. It's a real fact. It has happened in Tamil Nadu. And later on, when this old lady had asked him, "Who are you?" when he narrates everything, "I was your student when you were a subject teacher in class 4. When I entered into class 5, so by that time I lost my mother, and you have served me as my mother, as a teacher, as everything to me, as a sister, and everything to me. And except you, there is no other lady in my life as of now. So I thought to invite you as not as a chief guest, not as a guest, not as an invitee to the program. As a mother, I have invited to this program. In your presence, I want to get married to a lady. So as a mother, you bless me, you bless we couple." So this was the attachment what he had with his teacher, who has taught him long back, around some 20-25 years or 30 years ago itself. So that is the affection what ladies are touching all through their life. Of course, somewhere here and there nowadays we come across many such incidences which are unpardonable. So those are the things with the crooked-minded people. So need not to worry about all those people. We expect in the coming days that everything, the entire universe world itself will be sparing its duration in happiness. Thinking back, once again, I wish you all, on behalf of management first and all the staff members of the campus, happy Women's Day.
On behalf of UDSC family, I express my heartfelt gratitude to the principal for giving us an opportunity to celebrate Women's Day in our school. Without his support and guidance, it was not possible. I also thank my female colleagues for their presence over here. Thank you so much for giving us a chance to celebrate your day. May I now request our beloved principal, Dr. C.V. Patil, to give away the memento to women staff as a token of love and